Guys, so today I wanted to go out because it was snowing. Actually, it snowed yesterday, and today I tried to, I wanted to go out to take some videos of the highway, of the area. So I did, but the issue was I wanted to take my DJI MINI3 Pro, fly it out sometimes as I'm driving for it to follow my car and things of that nature. Unfortunately, it started to rain. But what I did do, I did take some video with my DJI, but I put it inside of the car. I didn't fly it, I just sat it on the dash. So on the dashboard, so you could take the view from the front. So right now, here it is, my DJI MINI3 Pro. Alright. Right now, I'm actually uploading the videos that I've taken. Let me see. I actually flown it before. I've flown it before. It's pretty nice. It's a really nice, very light drone, like 249 grams, so less than half a pound. It's pretty nice. I like it. But hopefully next time, guys, I can actually give you a view from the air of what it looks like when it snows here in Texas. Again, enjoy the video. So hey guys, as you know, it is actually the outside is kind of like white because it was snowing. But what I'm gonna do is I'm getting ready. I'm putting on my thermal clothes on so I can go outside. I'm gonna grab my DJI MINI3 Pro, fly outside. I'm gonna get into my car, remove the snow on my windshield, and hopefully I don't get stuck. I don't know, I might get stuck. So I'm gonna go somewhere either close to the highway or maybe if I can downtown to actually film how the area looks like. No. Okay. So guys, now that I already cleaned out the car, it's time to go for a drive. But it's kind of like sprinkling.